Yeah, good afternoon. We will do a case study activity in today's class in the title of improving the efficiency in DC beds. Okay, so I have given a case scenario for a set of students. The statement has a small manufacturing unit. They are using your DC motor for the purpose of conveyor belt, and the belt has running time of 10 hours per day. Actually, this manufacturing unit faces some issues in recent days, which has high electricity bill, and they are in need of frequent maintenance, and the motor speeds are fluctuating under various load conditions, and they have some other okay. See, these cases we faces this case scenario which faces certain issues with their manufacturing unit in recent days. Those are electricity bills will be very high, and they are in need of frequent maintenance, and the motor speeds will be fluctuating nowadays. So we have set up students to share their opinion and suggest a way in order to improve the efficiency, and also they are considering in the cost bills. Okay.
In our case, a DC motor is used to drive the supply areas. So the main problem which is identified as low efficiency. The reasons for this low efficiency is high electricity consumption, overheating, frequent maintenance, and unstable speed. The high electricity consumption is due to losses in the system and poor power conversion. And the overheating is due to the excessive current flow in the system and poor ventilation. Frequent maintenance is due to mechanical wear and tear and rushes. The speed is unstable because of poor conversion of the power. So these are the major reasons which is identified for low efficiency in the system. Now the technical part will be explained by Ratan.
Technically, overheating happens due to the increase in the armature current. Older rectifiers have higher risk causing overheating. Lead fluctuation occurs when the system is in overload. When the load increases, the motor draws more current to it and the speed drops. There is no automatic correction for this. Energy losses can be in multiple forms: copper loss, converter loss, and brush contact loss. Older rectifiers are less efficient compared to motor drives. Brushes for same contact resistance increases overheating. This further reduces the efficiency. Thus, technical reasons include inefficiency conversion and mechanical wear and lack of feedback. Next, third, to improve the brush maintenance. Maintain the brush regularly or improve the brush maintenance material, like it will reduce the losses. Fourth one, to cool the system, the forced air gas flow to the system so that it prevents cooling. It reduces the losses and prevents the overheating. To maintain the system, it will help and reduces the unuseful power system. Modern controls and closely controls reduces the motor and reduces wanting the kind of power, avoids the energy wastage, and electricity by reducing the energy efficiency improves by reducing the noise. Modern controller and closely controller ensures that the motor uses better power, avoids the energy wastage, and reduces the electricity bill. Regular servicing and proper lubrication and alignment reduce the friction loss. Energy efficiency price also reduces the breakdown and maintenance costs. Thus, the industry prefers modern technology for long-term use and to save money. So that's the energy management example. Is the energy management is about smart controller maintenance and to adapting new modern technology. Thank you. Primarily, the electrical DC drive system suffers from energy losses, overheating, and poor speed control. This causes overheated rectified drives, absence of feedback control, and a mechanical gear. The solutions like software drives, proper maintenance, circuit, closed circuit loops can improve and can taken from solutions are software drives. In this case, we can see that the electrical drive systems and the control methods can improve industrial efficiency. Thank you. Okay, see, by the various suggestions from the stories, you can understand the statement. So, thank you for the students for doing this activity. Okay.